Hello everyone! Today we are going to see how to make a creamy and tasty chocolate ice cream with just a few ingredients at home. To make this chocolate ice cream, I have taken some whipping cream in a bowl. To this, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I have taken 500 ml of whipping cream. Use a hand beater to beat this cream. If you use a hand beater, it's much easier. Beat this cream for about 3 to 4 minutes. As you keep beating, this cream will double and it will become nice and thick. So after you beat the cream for about 4 minutes, add some cocoa powder. I am adding 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Sift this cocoa powder so that there is no lumps and then add it in. Along with this cocoa powder, add quarter teaspoon of coffee. I am adding instant coffee powder. If you don't want to add this, you can leave it out. The coffee helps to enhance the flavor of chocolate and makes it very rich. So I add coffee powder. Beat this cream and the cocoa powder for about 3 minutes till the cocoa powder is well incorporated into the cream. Next, add some condensed milk. I am adding 1 tin of condensed milk. This is 400 grams of condensed milk tin. Add it in and beat it along with the cream and the cocoa powder. Taste the mixture as you keep beating. If needed, add quarter cup more, but this itself will be more than enough. Just remember to add a little extra of condensed milk because when you freeze this mixture, the sweetness will reduce a little bit. So add condensed milk accordingly. Next, add half a cup of mini chocolate chips and mix this along with the mixture. Then add a tablespoon of chocolate sauce. This is also an optional ingredient. If you don't have it, you can leave it out. But if you do have some chocolate sauce, then add about a tablespoon of it. This will also enhance the taste of this chocolate ice cream. Mix all of this together and this makes our easy chocolate ice cream. We need to leave this in the freezer for about 8 to 10 hours. So transfer this to an airtight box. You can use any box of your choice. Just make sure it's freezer safe and it's airtight. I always cling wrap my box before leaving it in the freezer to prevent any ice crystals from forming. But if you don't have this cling wrap, it's okay. Just make sure you use an airtight box and that will also work. So close the box and leave it in the freezer for at least 8 to 10 hours or overnight. This is the next day. So we'll open and see how it is. As you can see, as I'm scooping it out, you can see how creamy this chocolate ice cream is. This is such a simple recipe. It's so easy to make and you get such creamy and delicious ice cream. Once you start making this, you'll never buy ice creams from the store again. Before serving, sprinkle a little more chocolate chips on top of the ice creams and drizzle a little bit of chocolate sauce and then serve. It looks so tempting. It looks so delicious. This is such an easy recipe. You need only a few ingredients to make this recipe. If you have guests coming at home, then you can make this ice cream the previous day and leave it in the freezer and it will be all ready and perfect for you to serve for your guests. I'm sure all the kids will also love this ice cream. I've made this ice cream many times and it's always been a favorite. So do try this ice cream at home. Until next time, bye-bye.